I cannot even begin to express my love for pizza, and you are definitely seeing abundance of it on my show. I've already showed you one version, a green healthy pizza, and today you guys are in for a surprise. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Easy Food with DG with me, Darshan Gokani. Today I'm going to make a Mexican inspired spicy bean pizza, for which you need a ready-made pizza base, cheese, spiced beans, for which the link is in the description box, jalapeños, taco masala, onions and butter. Let's get cooking. For those who do not have an oven at home, today we will make pizza on a pan. And और कुछ थोड़ा different भी करते हैं. Let's put the cheese on the base. There you go. Next, add some beans. Some jalapeños, onions, and lastly some taco masala. Turn on your heat source, throw in some butter on the pan. Butter has melted, time to place your pizza. Carefully lift it up, place it and cover for 5 minutes. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. This smells just so good. Thank you for watching this episode with me. Remember to subscribe, share and follow. See you.